Congratulations on your new Kenmore grill. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly that you can easily do at home. As we've opened a lot of boxes, we've learned that it's sometimes easier to open the bottom of the box, fold the cardboard flaps back, put the box back on its face, and then slide it to give access to all of its contents. You'll find all of the items needed for installation by unlatching the lid from the body and removing the accessories from inside the grill. Then, lay out the items according to the diagram in your use and care guide. While extending the 4 legs outward is in step 2 of the use and care guide, we recommend performing this step now for ease of use. Step 1. Insert the screw from inside the grill and connect to the handles on the outside. We'll tighten with a crosshair screwdriver to complete this step. Step 2. Return the grill grate right side up above the firebox. Then, slide the grease tray into the brackets underneath the firebox. Step 3. Connect the 38-inch regulator hose to the propane cylinder by rotating the regulator clockwise. You can secure the regulator hose to the lid handle using the hook located near the nozzle. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your grill. If you have any additional questions, please refer to your use and care guide, which can be found online at kenmoregrill.com.